Welcome back to the channel, people. I've just had 4 hours sleep after a night shift, but I got up early so I'm going to have some Viva time. Raring to go. Right, I've got 2 hours before I have to go and pick the bairns up from school. Let's whip the carb off. Need to change this t-shirt first, like it's the only one I've got left without oil on it. Looks like there's 2 bolts that hold the carb in. One here and one round the back here. You cannot see. Right, let's take it off. Right, I'll just disconnect the fuel line before I go any further. This is where you normally lose a bolt. Hey, got it. Oh. As you know, if you've been watching the other videos on the channel, I've got another carb which I'm going to buy a rebuild kit for, and I'm going to rebuild the carb on the channel. Never rebuilt a carb before. My dad was a self-employed mechanic when I was growing up, so I took a few old carbs apart before, but I've never rebuilt one. And I've got fuel all over my hand. Right, let's be a driveway hooligan again and push the old girl outside, and I'll remove the manifold. But before I do that, there's one little job I want to do on my daily. I want to remove the lock and wheel nuts. My key snapped and I can't get one anywhere. I've tried it Ford, everywhere on the internet. I can't find one. They're the high security type with a spinning collar. So I'll show you how I'm going to remove them. Tools you need are preferably a power bar for leverage, a hammer, cold chisel, pry bar, and an old socket or a one that you've got lots of that will just fit over the stud once you've smashed off the spinning collar. You can get them removed professionally, but when I checked it was £30 a wheel, and I've got 4 that I need to come off, and that could be money that's spent on the Viva, so just going to do it myself. Place a pry bar or an old screwdriver to stop the collar spinning, or your tongue. Put the cold chisel on top, bosh, smash the metal collar off. If you've got posh wheels, mash the wheels up or something first. Oh yeah, and you could do with like a little screwdriver or some snips or pinches to pull the collar out. Get your old socket and smash it over the top of it. Bob's your uncle. Stand on the socket and use an old screwdriver or a punch to hammer it out the back, or put it in a vise to get it out. I've got 4 studs here that I got from a local breakers for £5. And there we go. Please don't use this tip to take someone's wheels, just use it to get yourself out of a pickle. Right, no, I haven't forgot about picking the bairns up from school. I've only done that once or twice. It's now a couple of days later, so let's push the Viva outside, see if we can get the exhaust manifold off, and see if we can get that rocker cover off and see where the oil leak's coming from. Hopefully see where the oil leak's coming from. Well, I'm running short of time because I couldn't find the keys for the Viva anyway, and it's because I left them there. So I'm not taking the rocker off today. I will get the manifold off, but I've had a quick look behind the engine and I'll show you. Can everyone see that? It looks like the oil leak's coming from that cap in the back of the block. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. There's a manifold off for now. Need to order up some gaskets. Right, I've got the gasket that goes on the bottom of the manifold to the pipe. I need to order up a gasket set and get a rocker cover gasket and the gasket for there. I've got a Viva HC set and it seems like that might fit, but I'm going to order one in anyway. I'll let you. I've got a Viva HC engine as well in storage. More about that in a later video. Also got these replica tax discs. Don't know if anyone remembers how much 12 months tax was in 1975 for a 1.3 or under 1256. Comment below. I also got, hang on, I need a knife. That'll do. Let's see what I can do if I cut my fingers off. Wah! Exhaust hangers and exhaust bracket. I got that for £28 all in. Someone was selling one of these for £15 plus postage on eBay. I got two of them and the exhaust bracket for £28, which is the best I could find them for. And check out that for a Father's Day present. That's nice, isn't it? A little bit better than that one. Hope you had a good Father's Day, all the dads out there. Everyone who grew up driving old cars knows you used to call this MOT prep. Right, that's it for this video. I'm going to get a rocker gasket ordered up, going to get an exhaust manifold gasket ordered up, and a carb rebuild kit ordered up. Sorry I didn't get a lot of tinkering done on the Viva this time around. Didn't get a lot of time off, and I'm knackered. Massive thank you to everyone who watched the videos and subscribed. We've got 1,000 subscribers now. Unbelievable. Thank you very much. More good content to come. I want to put out a bonus video for hitting 1,000 subscribers, so hopefully there'll be 2 videos next week. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your friends to watch the videos on repeat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
That light's proper blinded. Is that wonky?